Holy crap, guys, we did it. We actually did it. We pulled the trigger on an epic DIY home, and I'm so excited because there's so many projects there to do. You excited?
Terrified.
I'm terrified too, but let's go check it out. What's up, guys? My name is Bart.
And I'm Sam.
And we just spent our entire life savings on our DIY dream home.
Steady, steady, no!
It's on about 2.5 acres, but there's about a decade's worth of projects, so come on inside and we'll show you around.
Let's go. Walking up to the front door, we have our very first project. We're actually standing on a sinking walkway. So the ground is given underneath it, and that's gonna be the first project that we actually have to handle this year. So let's go inside and see the rest. Our walkway, So this house was built in 1986, and as you can see, it hasn't changed much since then. So there's a lot of oak that we're gonna have to deal with, but walking in, the floors are great. So that's something that we won't have to fix right away. That 80s feel is very evident with these beautiful mirror doors that we'll have to fix later. So let me show you guys the kitchen. This house is 3,000 square feet, which means we have a lot of room to grow. And one of the first projects that we're gonna do is the kitchen. The kitchen, as you guys can see, is not bad. It's got a lot of 80s charm, but it's gonna have to get redone. And we're gonna be doing a lot of renovations in here, including removing the stove because it's an electric stove. And what's actually really cool about it is it's got this heater thing that plugs in and heats up kind of like a toaster oven, I guess. And then it heats these grates, but we're gonna end up replacing this with a modern gas stove. So the island is gonna go. We like the idea of an island, but this one for our family is just a little bit too small, so it's gonna have to go, and we're gonna build a massive one that's gonna seat our entire family and then some. The sink, well, the sink is one of those old ones that just pops in. It's fine for right now, but we're gonna end up tearing out all these cabinets, replacing with brand new ones, new countertops, and a beautiful farm style sink. Farmhouse style sink. Farmhouse style sink. And the faucet is constantly running, so that's a water bill that we need to handle. We got Cheeto. Where's your Cheeto bag? She likes her Cheetos. And we even have a garbage compactor. This thing, no idea how it works, but apparently you put your trash in, somehow it compacts it, and it's gonna go too. The dishwasher, on the other hand, has buttons on what the kids call as a stealth bomber, like airplane buttons. We don't even know if it works yet. The fridge works. And apparently it makes noises. So the big overall plan with this kitchen is to actually take out this wall, which is to the hallway, take out the wall behind you, and push this entire wall into the sunroom that we're gonna take a look at next. All right. So this is our sunroom. So this place is actually a fantastic room for the kids to hang out and do all their arts and crafts, but we need to remedy all the walls here because there's basically holes and there's rodents that are coming in here, and the kids playing around with mice.
Hey, wait a minute!
Probably not a good idea. So like I was saying before, the wall behind you from the kitchen is gonna get blown this way, and this will become part of the kitchen, and the patio will no longer be a patio. That's gonna be the sunroom. So basically we're just taking everything and pushing it out. So there's gonna be a lot of construction going on in the next couple of years, and we are gonna try to do everything ourselves. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Also, we wanna hear what you guys think. Did we make the right decision buying this house? Or are we just gonna pump money into it until we bleed through our ears? Which I hear is pretty possible. Let us know what you think in the comments. So with that, let me show you guys the family room. Hold on. Come on in and let me show you guys our family room. So this is gonna be our family room, and you got any ideas what we're gonna do?
Hopefully lift this whole ceiling straight up so it's all open, and then you'll be able to see this fireplace going up 2 floors.
The whole ceiling is going up. Obviously, we're gonna do some cosmetic things with painting the fireplace white, maybe replacing the mantle, doing something else with the fireplace. But this is gonna be area where we're gonna be hanging out. So it's gonna be an open kitchen, family room, dining room concept. Some more windows in and make this place super bright because it's kind of dark and dingy for now, right? Yeah. All right, so let's go show you guys the upstairs because that's probably gonna be the first major construction project that we take on after the kitchen. The stair situation is actually not bad. There's hardwood floors underneath this beautiful green 80s carpeting that is coming out tomorrow. I'm gonna be ripping this stuff out. We're gonna paint the risers, refinish the treads, and let's go up to where we're gonna be sleeping. So up here is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. This is where our kids are gonna hang out and us. A master bedroom that is gonna be our place of zen. And 2 of our kids are gonna sleep up here, and 1 kid's gonna be downstairs in the office until the upstairs gets an addition and we can get everybody up here. We'll end up with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths probably, and a loft area. Right? Sounds right? Okay, cool. Let me show you guys one of the kids' rooms. So the 2 kids' bedrooms up here are not bad. They're 12 by 12, so they're a decent size for a young kid. They have a Jack and Jill, but my biggest issue up here is the windows. So these windows are actually rotted through, and I think there's a bug making some sort of a nest. So these windows are a priority because obviously we want the kids safe. Look at that, that's not even connected under there. I could just lift that, you can see the nails where they're coming in. We're gonna have to redo pretty much, it seems like, all the windows because water's just getting through here and it's not sealed. So wind's gonna come in here, you're gonna lose energy, and if water gets in there, it's just gonna rot everything through all the way down to here, all the way in your walls and downstairs in the house, so it's a mess. So I'm really not looking forward to opening up these walls and actually finding out what's in there because it may be a huge disaster. Between the kids' rooms is a Jack and Jill that has too many doors. So the kids' Jack and Jill is not bad. It's just, you know, it's outdated and it needs the Komar touch. But it does have 1 too many doors. Pocket door, how do you come out? Or I should say 2 too many doors. So there's a pocket door that goes in here and then obviously a door from each one of the kids. And I guess these are how Jack and Jills are built. I'm just not a fan of there's a door everywhere. And overall, this bathroom is not bad. The shower, well, it's a shower, the tub works. The flooring is probably my favorite part in here, but overall, for a kid's bathroom, temporarily isn't bad. When we got everything, they're gonna get nice, brand new bathrooms. All right, let me show you guys the master. Another door. Out this way. Oh, and before we get into the master, ooh, this is probably my favorite room in the house. It's for little people.
I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller.
We're gonna end up converting this thing into the kids' playroom. It's enough room for 3 kids to kind of put their stuff in. They can throw some sleeping bags in here and have fun. What kid wouldn't want a small, tiny room? Let's go check out the master bedroom because it's an awesome room. We love the angles in this house. The ceilings that kind of just shoot up is everything we've been looking for in a house. As much as we love these ceilings, they may end up changing when we actually put the addition on and do the 2nd floor expansion because we're right above where that family room was and we want to take this floor and actually raise it up. So this room may not even be in this spot when we're done with it. But in the meantime, we have some electrical issues. There are outlets here that I have no idea what they are. I think these are some sort of security issues. I know that's cable. That may be another security one, but these lights don't even work. They're not 3-ways. So I think I'm gonna have to get an electrician out here and go through the whole house because we found outlets that don't work. What is that? And I think this went up there at some point, but now we have exposed wires. So that's gonna have to get changed as well. So let me take you down to the basement where I have to do nothing. Nothing. Well, maybe a few things. And there's a fan, check this out. These flaps open up and just sucks all the hot air out, but this thing is so loud that you can't. There might even be ghosts, who knows? Let's go to the basement, let's go to the basement. Basement. There's a fancy lock to the basement. Oh! Welcome to the only space in the house where it's actually done. Brand new carpeting, brand new drywall, brand new framing. So this place is gonna be probably the only place that the whole family can hang out and be comfortable in until we work on the entire house. But I do have one problem down here, and that is my electrical panel. This electrical panel, it is 100% full, which means that I can't add anything into it if we're putting on an addition. So we're either gonna have to put a sub panel or go through this entire thing and figure out what works, what doesn't work, and kind of combine things where we can. And the biggest problem I have with this thing is my shop is only getting 15 amps right now.
No! No, 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 no!
So that's priority. Yes, baby? Which means that I can only run one tool at a time. So that's gonna have to be remedied immediately. But let me show you guys the shop. I almost forgot. This is what I'm calling my army room. Oh, just the smell of the cedar in here is amazing. I can't tell you how good it smells in here when you walk in. And this is where I'm gonna be keeping my military issue gear plus, you know, any guns or anything else that I might have that I might wanna keep away from the kids. And this door is gonna be a steel solid door with biometrics, probably like an eyeball thingy where you scan or a fingerprint, or maybe you just spit on it and it opens it up. I don't know, who knows? But let's go see the shop. All right, coming through our mudroom and into our 3-car garage is my shop. And this is where I'm gonna be temporarily until we finish that addition, because once we're done with it, this is gonna go back into a garage and I'm gonna build an incredible shop space that's right on our property next to the house that's gonna have over 1,500 square feet, possibly 2 stories, and everything I've ever wanted. But that's probably gonna take a very long time. So for now, I can only dream. But the best part about this house is our backyard, our 2.5 acres of land that we can play and build anything we want on.
I like the bugs though.
So I can build over here or over here. And I've already started building right here. Or I can build right on top of you. So that's it, guys. That is our DIY dream home.
It's not our dream home just yet, but over the next several years, we'll be doing a number of projects and updates, turning it into our forever home.
So make sure you guys follow along with us by hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss upcoming videos. And if you want to see day-to-day updates on what's going on, make sure to check us out on Instagram at Komar Project. Thank you so much for joining us on our experience. We'll see you guys next time. Oh, I got it.
She was born without bones.
Oh! Ready?
Yep, I'm gonna slap you, just so you're aware.
Oh! A little kick in it. We're good.